A man was walking near an old abandoned house. The place looked empty, silent, like no one had been there for years. But then, something caught his eye. Hidden beside the house, covered in dust and dirt, was an old car. He stepped closer, wiped off some of the dust, and then he saw it. A 1971 Mustang GT. Yeah, a real one. Even in that condition, you could tell this wasn't just any car. It was something special. The paint was faded, the body worn out, but the shape, the identity, it was still there. At that moment, he made a decision. He wasn't going to leave it behind. He was going to take it. But it wasn't easy. The car hadn't moved in years. The tires were flat, the body was stuck in the ground, it was completely dead. So he brought in a tractor. Slowly, he hooked the car and began pulling it out. The wheels barely moved, dirt dragging underneath, years of neglect resisting every inch. But he didn't stop. With effort and patience, he finally pulled it free. Then came the next step, loading it onto a truck. Carefully, inch by inch, he dragged the Mustang up, making sure nothing broke. It was heavy, unbalanced, but slowly, it got on. And just like that, the car that was forgotten was finally moving again. He took it straight to his garage. And that's where the real work began. First thing, he checked the condition, opened the hood, looked inside the engine. Dust everywhere, old parts. Nothing had been touched in years. He inspected everything, the engine, the wiring, the body, trying to understand what he was dealing with. There was still a long way to go, a lot of work left. But one thing was clear, this car was worth saving, and this was just the beginning. Follow for the next part.